Phrasal verbs with sentences. Get on. Please get on the bus. Get off. I must get off the bus at the next stop. Put on. Put on your shoes. Take off. Take off your boots. Run away. The thief had run away when the policeman came. Repeat after me, everyone. Come off. A button had come off my coat. Watch the video till end. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Look after. Can you look after the kids? Grow up. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. Tear up. Why did you tear up that letter? Pick up. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Fill in. Fill in your name and address. Get up. She finds it very difficult to get up early. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.